3 days into the next FOMC meeting, so expect volatility, family. Expect volatility. You can only expect volatility from here. There is a 98% chance of a pause and a measly 2%, mere 2% chance here of a Fed cut, guys. You can see that we are getting a correction throughout the market, but a couple projects that have been strong have been Solana and AVAX. They seem to be the chains here that's leading the altcoin bull run, right? Not a lot of these things are showing strength right now, but I think I'd rather personally get the dump now than the start of the week. But I think that we're going to be a little bit volatile going into the FOMC meeting because a lot of people are expecting Jay Powell himself to be hawkish. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The Bitcoin spot ETFs have been going absolutely insane, right? We have well over 20 billion invested in these ETFs, and it's just going up from here. You can kind of see big BTC holding above 65K, which is pretty good, right? Because in my eyes, it was kind of amazing to see BTC there right around 70K, knowing that at one point it was at 15K. So yeah, good to see that. Ethereum dropped down about $500 now, sitting at ETH. They did have an upgrade that happened this week. But outside of that, it's just been a not a lot of news this week. A lot of AI projects are gearing up for the NVIDIA conference, so maybe we do get some type of uptick here from AI. I also want to talk about Jasmy here because we know that if the BTC dominance does come down, we could expect altcoins to pick up, right? Not much news on the Jasmy front, but I will say this: the it's it like clockwork, you can see here Jasmy coming to retest our support here at about a penny and a half. Right now we're sitting at 1.7. We did wick down and got close. We got to 1.6. So regardless, I'll take it. Perfect opportunity for new people who's been sitting on the sidelines. Still peak bearish, no sign of confirmation, and lost momentum here on the MACD. And when in doubt, zoom out. We can also take a look at Jasmy here. Again, very bearish pattern here, right? This is not a descending flag here. This is kind of like a flag that a dying. I call this a dying flower, right? We call this the dying flower, right? And you can see that we did get confirmation of lost momentum here on the stock RSI. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens to Jasmy. Like I said, our support line here is at a penny and a half. And there's got to be at some point new people looking to pick up these buys in this area because Jasmy is a $1 billion project, which is kind of frustrating to the fact that Jasmy is a $1 billion project, yet it's in the innovation zone on Binance. That has to change. That has to change because in crypto, this is how crypto is, right? I'm gonna tell y'all some alpha right here. Crypto people are very, very finicky people, right? They anything can throw off somebody's sentiment on a project, right? Oh, we don't got this. Oh, this project has this, and we don't got. It's just it's insane, right? The stuff that we see in crypto from investors just doesn't happen in the stock market, and unfortunately, investors have been spoiled with crypto in these crypto games that they forget that some of the things that needs to happen has to be a process and it requires patience. But everybody wants to get rich quick, right? It's like get rich quick scheme, and this is why we can't be not only accepted but respected as a industry, right? Any industry that you're in is going to require some sort of patience, and I just don't see it from crypto. It's just if it's not doing something like what we see from the book of memes, then it's not bullish. If it's not the book of memes, then it's not bullish. Where's the book of memes at? Did it fall out of the top 100? Where is this thing at? This thing was, is it in the top 200 now? Where's the book of memes? It was doing good. I don't even see. Oh, there it go. It fell out the top 100. Now it's ranked 113, right? So yeah, this thing jumped up, and now everybody made these insane profits, and there were people jumping in this project, which is absolutely insane. What is Powell sitting in market cap at? Wow, Powell's market cap is 500 million right now. That is crazy. That is crazy, right? Literally, like we got into this project at a $20 million market cap. This thing is sitting at a $500 million market cap. Absolutely insane. Powell AI has been a mover. But back to what I was saying. Yeah, people ran into this. Was on buy a book of memes. I'm looking like, bro, are you serious? Why would you buy this project? And it's up thousands of. I still don't get to this day why people still have this mentality in crypto. Like, oh, it's listed on crypto.com. Buy book of memes. It's just sending. No, I'm not buying this project unless I got into it in its early stages. You want to get in a project in its early stages? Go check out J5. It frustrates me because it's the same people, and it's not even the same people. It's the same thought process of people who are emotionally tied to these cryptos. Seems like Jasmy fell out the top 100 as well. Now ranked 114. All right, dropped down 14 spots. It was at like 99, 100, right? But it's the same people every single time. Like, oh man, buy this, buy that. And when you look at the project, you're like, bro, this is up 500% in a day. Why would you buy this? Oh, I want to you want to contribute. You want to be a part of the exit liquidity. Like at some point, we have to start having common sense in crypto. We just have to, guys. We just have to. I come up here, pour my soul onto these videos, explain to you guys, hey, get in these projects early. Hey, I was so frustrated that people was still chasing these projects with hundreds of thousands of holders that I went out there and put myself on the line and created my own project. Yet, people still continue to make the same mistakes. Guys, there's good projects in any sector. Now, don't get me wrong, right? And this is not a knock to any project that has thousands of holders, right? 65,000 holders here from Jasmine. Because, hey, they got millions of dollars to make things happen. They got capital. They got VCs. This is not a knock to them, right? But the little guy, right? We want the little guy to have a shot in crypto. And the only way you're going to have a shot in crypto is you're gonna have to do better research first and foremost. You're gonna have to upgrade your style of research to make sure that you can actually find these gems. You need to make sure you are attracted in a narrative that you understand. Kind of stick to one niche, right? I like AI, I like gaming, and you got to understand that there's going to be some type of risk with any project if you're getting in early, right? And then it's going to require some type of patience. So, again, everybody's different. I know a lot of new people in crypto focus on exchanges, which is fine. You can find some gems on exchanges. I mean, I found Pendo at 5 cents on crypto.com and it went to almost $3, right? So you will find gems on exchanges, but 70% of the time, most people get wealthy in cryptos when they get in these projects early, right? So, there. Don't get me wrong. There's still gains to be made here from Jasmy. Most people think Jasmy can go anywhere to a 10 billion to a $50 billion market cap. I think that little zone is okay for Jasmy. It's not as much potential as you would get from something from a $10 million market cap because this is already sitting at an $883 million market cap. But if you don't want a lot of volatility and you're not willing to put up a lot of risk, well, this is a perfect project for you because it's already at $1 billion market cap. It's not much volatility, right? It doesn't move, very in a very volatile manner, and you can go to sleep at night knowing that your liquidity here is safe, your capital, should I say, here is safe with Jasmy. Okay, so again, this is just an update on what's going on in the market. Didn't mean to go on a rant. I'm gearing up for the FOMC meeting and a little bit of volatility. And in the Patreon, I've been giving guys updates on what we're doing. As far as our community projects and just my personal portfolio, and even the J5 Telegram channel if you hold the allocated amount of J5 that you need to hold. But yeah, let's see what we got going on this week. Let's see what JPal says, and let's see if crypto can rebound. Guys, do you think crypto will rebound this week, or is the bull market over? I'd love to know everybody's opinion. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.